So the first measurement of dispersion we are talking here is the range. Range is the highest value and the lowest value. Find out the difference between that. That's simple. Let's take this same data which we took in mean, median and mode. Here I have numbers 104, 98, 90, 85, 104, 104. These are heights of students, let's say. And then if you want to find the range of that, the highest number in this is 104, that goes first, minus the lowest, which is 85. The difference of that is 19. That's the range. That is a very simple measurement of variation. How much variation you have in this group? If you look at the range, that's 19. Easy to calculate. But then there are some problems with this. The biggest problem with this is the outlier or the extreme value. If you have one extreme value here, that will change the range drastically. Let's say in this, if I just put instead of 104, if I make this as 1040, then the range will become a huge, like it will be a big difference in the range. That's the reason sometimes range doesn't gives you a good indication of the spread, because even a single number can change the whole thing and rest of these numbers won't count. So what you are just taking is the two numbers only out of this big list of numbers. But then what is the other option? The other option would be the standard deviation and the variance. Other two items which are connected to each other. We will talk about that. Let's move on to the next slide and understand how do we calculate the standard deviation.